So you want to grow a garden, but you don't have the real estate. Good news, you don't need it. For some foods like strawberries, cucumbers, tomatoes, oregano, and basil, you actually don't need soil to grow them. Hydroponics is a method where nutrients in the water go straight into the roots of the plant. Basically, skip the soil, and the water does the work. Plants don't actually need soil to grow, as long as they have water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and mineral nutrients. No, it's not the soil that helps the plants grow, it's the nutrients in it. Hydroponic farming is changing the way people in deserts and big cities grow food. When you don't need the land, you can grow your food anywhere. The technique actually uses 90% less water than traditional farming, and plants can grow twice as quickly and yield 4 times the number of crops as plants grown in soil. And if that's not enough, there's no need for herbicides and pesticides, which means less runoff into lakes and streams. So even if you don't own a blade of grass, that doesn't mean you can't get going on your own dreams of growing a garden. Yum!